Silence mode. I'm always very happy to interact with the media because in democracy, the role of media is like that of a spine. If a spine weakens, democracy is bled. I need to indicate as to why I have chosen to address the media today. I am not concerned with day-to-day politicking. I am not a stakeholder. What political parties do, how well they do, how they do it. My role comes into play when I look at the oath I took on 30th of July 2019. And that oath casts constitutional obligations on me. And the obligations are twofold. It is my duty to protect, preserve and defend Indian Constitution. And democratic values, human rights, rule of law are its fundamentals. Second, it is my constitutional obligation that I have to stretch to the ultimate limit to serve the people of the state. And I can serve the people of the state only when democratic values flourish, they blossom, human rights are not capsized, rule of law is not casualty, constitution is not on fire. The Honorable Chief Minister, Mamata Banerjee, she is also under constitutional obligation. And her constitutional obligation is spelled out. And that constitution is, that prescription is, she will act in accordance with the constitution. She has to follow the constitution. She cannot depart from the path of constitution. Friends, the law and order situation in the state has been continually worsening for long, in spite of my caution to the Honorable Chief Minister, Police and Administration on numerous occasions. Distancing of governance from rule of law and constitutional parameters is to an alarming level, making it extremely difficult for me to conclude.
नमस्कार, मैं हूं अंजना ओम कश्यप। हमें उम्मीद है ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया होगा। लेटेस्ट खबरों के लिए यूं ही देखते रहिए आज तक, और इस वीडियो के पसंद आने पर लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें।